Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video we will see what is COALESCE function in DAX, and we will also see how to use this function in our report. So to understand this DAX function, let us consider a business use case that in our data set for some region we don't have a profit which happened for that particular region, and we will see how to replace those blanks in our data set. So this COALESCE function, which mainly used to replace our blank values in our data set. So let us see how it is used in our Power BI report. So now we are inside our Power BI desktop, and this is our profit table, which we are going to use it for this function. So this table, which consists of profit details for which happen for each region and their product category, and for some region and their product category we don't have any profit which happened for that product category. So for these blank values, I want to replace these blank values with 0. So for that use case, let us see how this COALESCE function which helps to achieve this business use case. So in my report view, I have used my region column and my product category column in a matrix table, and in the values I have used my total profit column, so that for each region and the product category it shows me the total profit which happened in my matrix table. So let us create a new measure, and we will see how this COALESCE function which used to replace these blank values. So let me give a title like COALESCE. So in this measure I will use my COALESCE function, and if you see the syntax for this function, it requires particular value as an input, and it will check that value. If the value is not blank, it will return that value, but if in case if the value is blank, then we can replace that blank values with our choice of values. So I will use my sum of total profit in this value field, and to replace my blank values I will replace with 0. So now we can use this function, and this COALESCE function which checks my total profit value, and if it finds any blank in it, it will replace with 0. So let us use this measure in our table now. So now I will create a copy of this matrix visual. So in the values field I will replace with my COALESCE measure. So now you can see the difference in my matrix visual. So in this second visual, you can see that my blank values are replaced with 0. So this is how we can use this COALESCE measure as a logical function to test any blank values, and we can replace those blank values with our choice of values. So I hope you understood how this COALESCE function which works inside our Power BI report, and thanks for watching this video.